Hey, Vevor. Vevor. Thank you. Wow. Competitors come into the picture all the time, people, and new things come around. And you know, Vevor, man, I just saw a video to where Vevor's gonna take over the world. Well, if a person can stock up on products that gets people's interest that they're putting out there right now, I say more power to them because I'm speaking for Americans. It's about people having what they need and what they want and things that are very useful to them because I ordered, okay, it's been about 3 months now, a Vevor stainless steel stovetop, for my kitchen that's installed, and natural gas, which can convert to LP, and they even send you the things if you use LP, and it's set up for natural gas for only $33, man. And it's a super stovetop. You figure I've been using it for like 3 months. It's excellent. And wow. Cause see, my stovetop, being I have a very large house, 3,600 square foot ranch style house. Um, I stay in my den, which is 250 square feet. I turn on my one of my stove fires to keep it warm when it's cold. And then have one window air AC unit that I shut off the doors to the den and kitchen and keep it cool in the summer. Because I'm the only person here. But I'll tell you what, right now, I'm a 70-year-old that's excited like a little kid is before they open their presents on Christmas Day. I really am. I really am, man. These deals I found online at Vevor, man. Golly, a 450-piece tool set with a quarter-inch ratchet, a 3/8 inch ratchet, and a half-inch ratchet with the extensions necessary, and then tall sockets, short sockets, metric sizes, wrenches, standard sizes, and metric sizes, and even fittings for your power drill, for a Phillips, a screwdriver, all these fittings. I got that, and it's got you order it, you open the top of it, it has a handle, and I think the shipping weight on mine it said was 48 pounds. Yeah, that's pretty heavy, because it's compacted, you know, and it's got three drawers you pull out. All these tools, man. I got this for only $132. $132. And I'm a master mechanic and machinist, and I know quality tools when I see them. And I've seen these demonstrated on the internet. These are quality tools, guys. Man, this stuff is good. And for any of you teenagers out there, you have project cars, or you're just starting life, or you younger men just starting life. Order that right now, because I've worked on cars since I was like a 12-year-old boy. My dad owned part of a wrecking yard, salvage yard, and I'm telling you, man. I've got all the tools, but I ordered it just for the sake. Hey, all this stuff is together. I won't have to look through all of my different tool boxes and tool containers. Because my tools over the past 54 years or whatever, they're scattered, and I have everything a person could ever want, but then you have to go on a scavenger hunt. That could happen to anybody. But with this new set, I'll just keep all my other tools put up, and I'll have that one case. What I'm gonna do is set it on my dryer in my washroom. Just set it up there on top that one gauge, and it's like, oh, and then I'll write down this tool goes here, this tool goes there, so I won't have to figure it out when I put the tools up. But man, I'll tell you what, only 130. Let's see, was it 130, $132? Yeah, and free shipping. Yeah, people, free shipping. And I didn't stop there. Got three 25cc Ryobi weed eaters. And hey, they're fantastic. They are good. You can't beat them. They're better than the Echo because they start all the time. But I went the extra miles because I have a problem backyard that bamboo shoots grow up and all this crapola. And it's past due right now. I've been working on that. A video I made several days ago. I told people I cut down two small trees in the backyard because they were starting to rub on the corner of my house back here. And, I used a hyper tough sawzall, which did good. Hyper tough's making some good stuff too. I'm not into advertising. I'm not into sales, but men, guys, order that 450 piece tool set. Order it. Even if you have to owe on a credit card, because then you'll have all the damn tools. Man, I mean, to work on stuff when you need to. And I can tell by looking at those ratchets, those are quality builds. They're built good, and those sockets are built good. So it's good stuff. But I ordered mine, and then I ordered that large weed eater. Let me tell you about the weed eater. Okay, now I paid $200 for that, and it's free shipping, but it's 52cc two-cycle engine. People, do you know how powerful that is? Because my 25cc two-cycle two Ryobis, they have a lot of damn power. But 52cc, yeah. And it's got extenders that come with it. It's a six-piece set. It comes with a chainsaw and not a Mickey Mouse chainsaw either. That chainsaw is about that long. It looks to me like it's a 16-inch chainsaw, man. Easy to install. Then it's got your weed whacker, with the blades. And then it's got what is, it looks like it's a saw blade with teeth that's big, not a Mickey Mouse one like most of them give you like that, but it's big like this. Because these men in the demonstrations that using them were holding them, and one of those blades is as big as their head. Man, imagine what you could do with that. And then you've got of course, the spool that attaches and the weed eater string for weed eater. It's got a shoulder strap, body strap. Man, I ordered mine and I'm excited like a kid is at Christmas because people, I don't waste money. I do not waste money. But this stuff, man, is amazing. I'm also going to paste a comment that I put in some comments for a friend, Limitless, I know, about my discovery of these things. And it doesn't stop there. If you watch back videos uh, about, I totally rebuilt the structure of my porch roof because it had a lot of wood rot and it consisted of five 2-inch by 7-inch boards that were 13 feet long. Okay. I changed three of them. The others were okay that were closer to the house where the roof didn't leak. And then I put the baseboard on, repainted it, put new house numbers up there. It turned out beautiful. And I was thinking, well, I need to put a roof on it now. So. when I walk outside, if it's raining or to block the sunlight, if I want to sit on my porch is 13 feet wide and 6 inches from my front door to the end of it. So it's a 13 by 6 inch. Well, I'm gonna have to get metal roofing now, or something like that, or composition squares and put up on top and nail it and all this. Again, I made a super discovery on the Vevor website. I was looking over their stuff. Okay, plastic polyurethane squares. Okay, a kit that comes with 2 foot by 4 foot polyurethane clear squares that's for greenhouses. But let me tell you something. I saw that illustrated in a video. These that go on a greenhouse top, those last like 30 years or more. And they can withstand strong winds, harsh sunlight, harsh heat, cold, snow, even hail. And greenhouse squares, yeah. Or even those around the edges are either taped on with adhesive tape or nailed. So I'll nail the corners of mine on, but 2 foot by 4 foot. Okay, my porch is 13 feet wide, right? And then it goes from the front door out 6 feet. Okay, so those squares, there's a kit you can buy that has 14 squares in it that are 2 feet by 4 foot for only $69.95. $70. Okay, so going from left to right or right to left, 2 foot. Okay, I'm going out. I'd need six to achieve 12 foot. Okay, and then the seventh one would achieve 14 feet. So I'd have a foot more than I needed as far as my width. Then in front of that, okay, they're being that they're 4 feet long, I could actually overlap the ones for the front of the porch as it goes out 6 inches, the same amount, which would be 7 squares. And then I'd cut one a foot off of the ones on the end. Okay, which would be 14 squares. Well, this particular kit, I scrolled through them and I found a kit that has 14 squares. Only 69.95 for a good, polyurethane squares that'll last 30 years and withstand the hell hot heat. People, it's solved and it'll be easy to install. Because all I'll have to do is just set those up there. I can drill like a hole in the corners of the 2 by 4 squares and go ahead and put the nails in it because you drill the hole a little smaller than the diameter of the nail and just use roofing nails. With the nails in there, be up on my ladder and then just drop it on there and take the hammer and go tap, 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 and just move my way left to right. Okay? And then, go do the one in front. Or actually, I do the one in front first because, see, then the ones that went all the way up to where it meets the house, see, those would overlap those to where the water runs down like this. And my porch is already at an angle. It's already at an angle. So, to where the water would drop. But see, that's problem is solved, man. It's solved. Problem solved. And, this is great. So don't let contractors like mess with your head. Because contractors, there was three, a bunch of crooked creeps. The prices they threw at me, and then you're going to have a new roof on that. That's a lot of work. 3,500 for just that board. The timber I used to do that job for my port, 257, including paint. Now the face board, yeah, I paid extra for that. That was 110, for 13 feet, 12 inches tall, an inch thick, that 13 feet's worth. Yeah, it's about 110. Because I bought a quality face board, so it looks real pretty or whatever, when it's painted. You want a quality wood, for that, for your main baseboard. Because people see it, when they come to your house or from the street, that's the first thing they look at, or your garage door, those surfaces. But, these are great things. I'm not into sales or anything, but, I'm telling you guys that like to work on cars, man, get that toolkit, people. Get that toolkit. Don't be confused and be thinking, should I get Craftsman? Should I get this? No, get the Vevor. I'm experienced. I have a lot of years experience. That price for those tools and the quality of those sockets, wrenches, and those ratchets, it's the way to go. It's the way to go. But I'm real excited about this. And they ship it to you, just order it online. But when it comes to that small tool chest with the three drawers and all that, that would be worth it even if you're on a low income or a budget. It'd be worth owing on a credit card, guys. Get that. Get it before the price goes up. Because that's not going to last too long. Because that's though to make those tools, companies, man, that's a lot of machining work done and a lot of heat. Metals work. Because I'm a metals and machining engineer. This is something I know about. That's how I can tell when parts are quality. But anyway, I wanted to share this with other people, man. But if you're interested to know how the job went on my porch, how it turned out, how it looks now, and the wood trim that goes around my house, I repaired a lot of that, redid the whole right side of the house and about a 1/3 portion of the front. Hard work, whew. But I got it done. And it turned out real good. Just look at my back videos, and you can see that. But the tools, this six-piece weed eater with the different extender poles or whatever. So the chainsaw, you can cut limbs off trees and stuff. Man, I'll tell you what, that's worth paying $200 for. Watch a video on it. It's a Vevor 52cc, but those greenhouse roof polyurethane squares. Hell yes. Hell yes. That's the answer. Yeah, I can re-roof my porch for only $70. That'll last, man. It will last. Wow. But I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ. Thank you. I'm blessed. Man, this is beautiful, but I love all you cats. I love you, babies. They're outside. They're enjoying the warmer weather we're having right now. But anyway, later, later.